Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a POV drive in my MG6. So I've turned up the tune to the max one and I'm going to drive with the traction off. So let's see how it goes. But here's a quick walk around of the car. It's a saloon car, 1.8 litre turbo, around 180 brake horsepower with the tune, I'd say. I mean, with drivetrain loss and everything. And I have a muffler on it. So I can just show you what that sounds real quick. To turn it on, it's actually pretty simple. You just press it like a BMW. And if you can hear it, it sounds pretty nice. You ready?
Let's go.
There's a car in front of us, to be fair. Oh, this car drives really well, I can't lie. Oh, there's so many cars there.
Like cut in and out so when it's actually like good roads.
Yeah, I guess.
You can't do the whole video anyway, it'll end up being too long.
Yeah, I don't care about a long video.
Don't go fast on these roads. Nice houses.
You see, I still gripped.
Oh, GIRS. That's very cool.
This thing grips. I love it. I love it.
Oh, Bentayga.
I love that all hidden. Don't we love the zero visibility?
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, move your head back a second. Oh, I shouldn't go fast here. Hear that pops?
Yeah.
That's so fun. Please get a muffler delete on your car.
I will get a muffler delete, don't worry. Thank you.
And a car obviously has to come on the one time. Road closed.
That's the road we were in earlier on, no? They just ignored the road closed.
No, this is not that one.
Should we just ignore it and go?
No, we went there.
We came out this way.
No, we turned around and went what do you call it?
Sure?
Through there to go Black Park, yeah. Let's turn this around.
I feel like we came out of there.
Yeah, we came out of there and went there.
Yeah.
To be fair, you could drive it.
Can I?
It is road closed. Take the racing line. Oh wait, no, I don't want to go on that side in case the car comes.
Yes, there you go.
Yeah. Good thing I realized before I did anything. This is hooking pretty well, I can't lie.
It's hooking very well, isn't it?
Don't worry.
M40? Hold on. Why is there a sign there for the M40? Do you want to drive there?
Oh yeah, that takes you to the M40, look.
Oh.
You want to drive to the M40 through like the most dodgiest road in the forest?
We can. It says M40.
Let's tone it down a bit.
Yes, that's now.
Alright,
Very
let's...
tight.
Yeah, I know, I'm going to slow it down a bit. Keep it under 50.
I remember this road.
I love that Range Rover's trying to keep up.
Right down going in.
Ooh. Hold on, I'll pick up in a second.
Where's that going from the car?
Hold on. I'll pick up in a second. So yeah, we're at the park now.